Okay, so welcome back to the video tutorials for the teacher training for educationalpaths.com. If you're watching this video and you're not yet registered, please do so on this website here. If you have, then you know that I'm Alvaro, I'm the course coordinator, and this is a video on frequently asked questions. Now, this is the fourth version of this teacher training. We started in the version 1 very simple. Second version we had more participants, and then it was more like a combination. In the third generation, which just finished the promotion, like two teachers have just been have just graduated and they've finished the course, and now we about to start the next generation, and then eventually once you watch this video will be more and more. At this time, and this is June the 8th of the year 2018, we don't have any page for frequently asked questions because we haven't been asked questions. But it is very important that you ask us questions about anything that has not been very clear from watching these videos and eventually during your sessions. This course, as I told you, is not about you listening to me and listening to lectures. This course is about you finding your own resources, putting everything into practice, and eventually getting stuck. And getting stuck means getting questions, and you're going to have some of these questions answered, hopefully. But it's your responsibility to ask me these questions. What I will eventually do is, if many of you have the same questions, I will, write a frequently asked question document and maybe even redo this video with, questions that other colleagues of yours have asked. Obviously, it's very important that you are in touch with other teachers doing this training, at least with one of them who is going to be your teacher and possibly your student as well, or maybe you have two different teachers that you're in contact with. With some of them, you're going to be doing some team teaching. In any case, it's very important that you talk to them and you share your experiences, and that way you can learn at least twice as much. Anyway, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.